Category 5. Reflect on Standard 7. As an educational leadership candidate yourself, you may already know this standard, but pretend we're in guided reading groups and read this together with me. Come on, you must say this out loud in front of your computer with me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Standard 7. An educational leader promotes the academic success and personal well-being of every student by promoting communities of engagement for families and other stakeholders in the school's community. Good job! Give yourself a pat on the back. Component 1. Academic success. As it relates to Standard 7. By following through with this 8-parent meeting, I am setting a spark under the kindling that promotes engagement of the family. By facilitating the creation of the Parent Advisory Group, we promote the academic success of all students at our school. Our advisory group will promote school fundraisers, parent awareness, after and before school clubs, not to mention the creative programs our parents suggest and are vested in creating. These activities are proven to improve the academic success of our student population. Component 2. Personal well-being of every student, as it relates to Standard 7. Well-being begins with parents telling us about their children's needs. During this 8-parent first step meeting, the parents immediately connect with the idea that they, the parents, and schools working together are a powerful combination. Together we discuss and begin to problem solve through key issues like safety, tolerance, and acceptance that affect our students more so today, possibly than ever before in our educational history. Through the creation of the Parent Advisory Group, all students' well-being and safety are of utmost importance. Students, teachers, and parents together create a powerful bond of support and camaraderie. Component 3. Promote communities of engagement, as it relates to Standard 7. The way I plan to promote a community that is engaged is with this first small step with my 8-parent meeting. Attendance and participation will grow with time. I believe it. These parents will take the good nature and sincere offer of togetherness of this meeting to their friends in the community. With organization, clear goals, and effort, this small meeting will be Lao Tzu's first step to engage our community to foster our educational family into the very citizens they want to be a part of their community. This concludes my presentation. Thank you kindly for listening.